So Dr. Huebner, I'm here again with Kenith, and Kenith, as you know from our last videos, is here more than a year. And he came in, his barber actually went really short, probably down to about a 1 guard over the scar.
Ball fade.
Right, but I wanted to show that even at that, it's still hard to see. So I'm gonna give you, this is a very honest depiction of what a scar looks like. So you can kind of see, this is his scar right there. That little line would be where his scar is. So if he just puts his fade down a little further, he could hide that, or just grows it out a little bit longer. And you can see it come around here. Again, he's kind of doing this cool fade. I mean, that is not gonna really affect him in any way. And having all that hair is makes it all worth it.
Absolutely.
So,
and
awesome.
It doesn't hurt, because you would think with the scar, it will hurt. It doesn't hurt at all. It's like I don't even have it.
Awesome.
Yes.
Awesome. Well, thanks again, Kenneth.
Anytime.
All right.
Salute you, buddy.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.